guys, welcome to the first video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video we will see what is Java, why do we care about learning Java, and if time permits we will also see how we can install Java in our Windows operating system. So what is Java?
What is the
Java
is
is
the
a
Java
high-level
is the
programming
type.
language
Yeah,
which was developed by Sun Microsystem in early 90s. So as any other high-level programming language like C# or C++,
Main language
Java is
programming
also a
language is the
high-level
Java,
language,
HTML.
but it's a little bit different from other languages in a sense that it's a cross-platform programming language which you can develop and run on multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS or any other operating system, and it runs its program using a special virtual machine called Java virtual machine, which is this one. So this Java machine is responsible for running Java programs, and whenever you install Java on your operating system like Windows or Linux, you also install this Java virtual machine. And this Java virtual machine is same for every operating system. So your program runs on this Java virtual machine and not on the native Windows or Linux operating system. So this Java virtual machine is same for every operating system. That's why it runs on every operating system which Java supports, right? So if you compile a Java program on Windows, you can run it on Linux or Mac OS using this Java virtual machine. That's why before developing Java, we need to install Java, JDK, and JRE on our operating system. Okay, and Java is a object-oriented programming language. So we will see what object-oriented programming is and what are the features of object-oriented programming. But yeah, it's object-oriented programming, and I will teach you more about the programming, we will see what is this. So now, first of all, we need to install Java on our system, and
you see this guy.
It may be possible that Java is already installed on your system, or it may be possible that you have never installed Java on your system. So how to check whether Java is installed on your system? It's easy. So you just need to, if you are on Windows 8, you just need to right click your start menu button and open command prompt from here. And in here you just need to give this command Java C. Okay, so give this command Java C and press enter. And if this command responds that Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, then Java is most probably not